Hey friends, it's Jamie here with the Simple Organized Erin Condren Planner Group on Facebook and the website milkallergymom.com. We are making our way through the 2020 Erin Condren Life Planners, setting them up to work for us for the whole year, so we will stick to our planners. And today I want to cover the layouts that are the weekly and daily sheets for us to work with. I've done mine similarly for several years, so I have proven that this system works great for me, and I have stuck to it. I tried to veer from it a few times and always came back to what I'm going to show you today. Now, I do have the neutral planner, so there are a couple things that I think are a little different than the colored planner, but I think it would still work for you. So let's get to it. This right here on this side, the list that is added in on each and every week is super handy, and I have come to just really love this as my to-do list. It's sort of like a running weekly list, and I just check things off as I go through the whole week, and I really like that compared to like a daily checklist. It's just much more doable and makes you feel like you're really getting stuff done, but at a reasonable rate. For the days in the neutral planner, we have these little sections up here at the top. I think yours may be colored if you have a colored planner, but I am using these right now for things that I really should not forget for the day. Most notably, where my kids' classes and things like that. We homeschool, but there's things we need to leave the house for each day, and it gets kind of crazy because every day is different. So that is what I am using my top little lines for. And then the 3 sections for each day are things that I have done for probably 4 or 5 years of using my planner. I always like to put our important appointments and times in the first one, because that is like the first thing I look at when I wake up in the morning, like where do I need to be and what do I not need to miss. The second one is health, and this is where my exercise, I'm going to start tracking more self-care in there, and even my kiddos stuff when they get sick or with their allergies and things. I need to be journaling for our allergist, and this is a good place for me to put anything kind of going on that we need to take note of and let the doctor know about. And the last one is where I like to put what I need to get done for Milk Allergy Mom and my online work. Then down here, I know a lot of you guys use this space for meal planning. In the neutral planner, we have this little section right here. I think yours is probably colored if you have a colored planner. And what I love to do for meal planning is to have themes for days of the week. And so I decided to put my themes in those sections of the planner, and then right in the extra space is where I will put the actual thing that we're going to cook or make or eat, and possibly even breakfast and lunch options if I'm really, really on the ball. But that is very, very simple, you guys. I do not use stickers. I've tried highlighters. I barely can use a pen in my planner. I love to write things in pencil. I love to just cross them off as I go. I don't have my planner from last year in front of me, but it's just very, very functional for me. Write it in pencil, erase it if I need to, cross it off if I do it, and that is the way I do this. If I do stickers, I usually put them in my monthly spreads, but I just don't have time to be decorating and things during the week. I know Mandy here, who also does this group with me, is great at decorating and putting stickers in for her month. So if you are on that track, make sure you are in our Facebook group where she posts her weekly decorations for her planner. But if you are more of a functional planner person, I am with you in that camp. I have used the Erin Condren planner for 5 years, and I literally just write what I need to do and cross it off when I do it. And that works for me. It helps me stay on track, and I get things done. And I think that the planner is still worth it for me. I've got tons of things organized in here: budget, schedules, school, work, home, health, meal planning. It's all in one planner, and it's just because I buckle down, write what I need to get done, cross them off, and go on my merry way. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it's inspiring to know that it can be very simple. And if you just take a little bit of time each week, maybe on a Sunday or a Monday, to just get things down in your planner. If you don't have time for stickers, don't worry about it. If you do, That's great too. I love the people who can decorate and have that outlet. It's just flexible. It can go either way. So we hope this is helpful, and we'll be back as we finish up these tips for 2020 very soon. We're happy to have you here with us. Have a good one. Bye.